If you really build the discipline and consistency to go to the gym and show up to reach the goals, and not only for the goals, but also for creating the lifestyle and just see yourself as someone who shows up there every single day, I think that is in line with your purpose in life. All right. So before I start with this new video, I want to thank you all for the positive messages I got on my last video. I received a lot of questions about what are your plans right now on shifting your point of view in the business, because I talked a lot about shifting my point to being a business owner instead of a high-paid freelancer. If you want to know the story, just check the last video somewhere up here. Today, I will not talk about that. There are coming a lot of exciting new things and new projects. Within a few weeks, we're dropping our first project. It will be in the econ. Very exciting news as well to tell you. But not today, I will save that for later on. Today I want to talk about a little insight I got from someone in the gym. It started by he asking me a question about how and where and why do you find the time to show up in the gym every single day? And it was quite a funny question actually, because for me the reason that I go to the gym is not about finding time for it. Like, I believe you can always make the time if you really want it. So it's more about setting priorities. For me, going to the gym is a priority because I usually during the whole day, I work behind my desk, behind my laptop. I'm sitting in a not very natural position. So my job and my work is not very healthy for my body. Besides that, I also have work that is very mentally challenging sometimes. Being an entrepreneur asks to solve problems, solve high tasks, and being in focus all day. So mentally, I'm always tired. Like in the evening after a long working day, it's mentally hard. But if you don't go to the gym, you feel tired, but your body is not physically tired, only mentally. So for me, it's very important to have my daily exercises just for my health, but also for just being complete after the day. But I think that's a normal story and people can understand that. But besides that, I really think that going to the gym is very similar about setting goals in life and reaching goals in life. Because if you go to the gym, you normally are going to the gym because you want to reach certain goals. And it don't matter if it's losing weight or gaining muscles or being in better condition or whatever, but you normally go to the gym because you want to reach certain goals. You will not reach them if you don't have those two things, and it's consistency and discipline. If you don't have consistency and discipline, you will not reach your goals. And this is something you really learn in the gym, because if you go to the gym, you maybe think up front, go to the gym for 1 week and you can see the muscles already growing, but that's not the case. Normally it takes up to a few months or maybe a few years to even see a bit of results. And that's also in life, you know? So if you really build the discipline and consistency to go to the gym and show up to reach the goals, and not only for the goals, but also for creating the lifestyle and just see yourself as someone who shows up there every single day, I think that is in line with your purpose in life. Because if you want to reach certain goals in life, which are big and not going to reach or achieve in just one single day or 1 week, you have to show up and build on your consistency and discipline. And also, growing muscles are growing only when you break them. When you push through the last sets, when you don't have the energy enough, push through. And if you push through, the muscles will recover, and after they recover, they build stronger. And it's the same in life. If you push through the hard times and you learn from it instead of give up or see yourself as a failure, that's the way to success, and that's the way to building muscles as well. If you do the same exercise with your bicep with 1 or 2 kilos, they will not grow. You need to look for expanding the comfort zone. So in my case, I think that question was a very simple question, but for me, I was thinking very deeply on it. My main reason is not only to build a healthy body and being healthy in myself and in my mind, but it's also building on your mindset and just building on, being consistent and building the discipline to just show up every single day. So that's a little insight I got today. Later on, I will more dive into the journey I'm starting right now. Very exciting plans coming up. Just make sure to subscribe, like if you like it, and yeah, I will keep continuing doing this and keep you updated. So check you in the new video.